do you play the game PKXD? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich, unlimited resources in the PKXD, no jailbreak on iPhone and Android. So hop with me now into this incredible tutorial where I'm going to show you guys how to become the legends of PKXD with this crazy modded version with unlimited resources for your device. So let's get straight into this tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. It's super cool. It's totally worth a tutorial, so let's get straight into the episode. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got unlimited resources, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it on iOS and Android, guys. So let's get right into the tutorial. So the first step is going to be going ahead and going on to this website, guys, which is called hexmods.com. So once you're on this website, guys, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in PKXD, and as you can see, it says PKXD, so just press on it. Press the download button and just wait for it to download the mod. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But I've already installed it, so I'm not going to download it again. But let's just wait for this to load. Yeah. So it's pretty decent speed if you got a good connection. So anyway, guys, if you go to the search bar and type in PKXD, you'll see it's very expensive. So as you can see, if we go to the in-app purchases, nah, bro. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super insane and it totally works. I mean, I've looked into so many different methods for PKXD on how to get unlimited resources, and let me tell you guys, this is the best one. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super cool, and it totally works on all devices. Now, bear in mind, if you're on the iPhone, you might want to go to the Settings app, and then go to the General, and then go to Background App Refresh, and make sure that this is turned on. Also, guys, if you go to Battery, you can make sure that Low Power Mode is turned off. And if you do these things, then you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super insane and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, get the word out, guys, because this is super crazy. You know, there's haters in the community, right? And they're trying to tell us that we can't use PKXD hacks. But trust me, guys, this hack is undetectable. So it's super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. And it should be working for all y'all. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, get the word out. This is super cool. Totally updated and everything like that. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm going to see you guys later and peace out.